Hi YouTube, this your boy, Chevy Addict, with the intro to this video. Today, I went by where I'm getting the car from, where I got the car from, cleaned it out. All it needs now is a washing, y'all. So you go see in this video the rims I'm going to get. I'm gonna put the picture in them on this video. How the trunk looked before and after, and you go see the inside, the hood, and inside the car before and after. So I forgot to do a video of the out of the engine after I cleaned it down, vacuumed it down, but y'all see the video, just know this is clean. Now all I gotta do is wash it and find somebody to pressure wash it for me, or I might just do it myself. I know all I gotta do is tape up or cover up the alternator and the distribution, the spark plug distributor. There I go. All I gotta do is that, and I'm telling you, this will be it. Once I pressure wash it, will be the last thing I do, but I'm gonna try to wash it tomorrow if I get a little time, which I do. So I'm gonna wash it about 10 o'clock. I'm gonna walk you around and show you how I look before I wash it and after I wash it. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for this transformation starting in January, y'all. I want to thank all of my subscribers, new subscribers and old subscribers who stay tuned to my channel, and I thank all of y'all, so from the bottom of my heart. And that being said, this been a long day, y'all. You see it's dark out here. I left this morning about 10:30, 11 o'clock. I know what time it is now. Look how dark it is now. Very dark. So soon the car will be here. The holdup is the battery. And I'm telling you, once I find me a battery charger, I went to Harbor Freight a few minutes ago and they had one for like $89 and I couldn't afford that. So I'm trying to find one for like $39 and below. But they say they have a shipment coming in on Thursday, today Wednesday, so I'm gonna go back in and see tomorrow, but if they don't have it, I might go by AutoZone and get me one. So that being said, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video, and thank y'all for subscribing and staying tuned. I'm telling you, y'all, I feel this 2K will come on this series I'm doing. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Hi YouTube. I'm finished with everything. Gotta dump my vacuum cleaner. This how much dirt and stuff came from the car. But y'all know this car's in good shape anyway. So I put the mats down, put the air freshener on the gear shifter right here. I was gonna put it in the trunk, but I closed the trunk by mistake. But I got the one that I put in the trunk doing his job. So back here is clean. She gave me these pictures right here also. These pictures like these cars right here, which is my dream cars right here. This is one of my dream cars right here. When I'm cleaning up the ones I got. And this one right here. That one there. This one right here, y'all. All these going in my man cave on the wall. Yeah, like I told you before, everything's cleaned out. I'm gonna replace the carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and order my carpet, or I don't have to order it. It's an upholstery shop down here by my house. Go by there, get some specs and some prices. I'm going with a gray suede on the carpet and a gray suede up here. So I gotta go online to find this cover piece right here. And like I'm going in person, get the headliner. So this right here will be all nice and pretty. I got that coming out so as well. I'm gonna replace this right here with a single den. No, I'm sorry, with a double den. And that's it, y'all. This car clean. I'm gonna go to the body man, to the place where they do windows and ask them can they seal this up with their glue and put it back right here. You know, so I can have my rear view mirror here. But other than that, y'all, everything is clean on the inside. I'm thinking about coming sometime weekend or before the weekend to give it its first wash. So watch this though. Watch this though. Look at that though. Look at that. Look at that clothes, y'all. Anyway, the owner gave me permission to go ahead and do all my things to it while it's sitting. So when I get it home, I'm trying to have all this here cleaned out too, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get my shop vac and go ahead and suck that up too before I leave. So this thing is done. I'm gonna find somebody to pressure wash the engine, cover all the stuff that I need to cover up, like the distributor right here and the alternator. I'm going by the parts, so I price these belts, to replace these belts. Man, and hopefully my neighbor have a battery charger. I'm gonna set the battery charger on here and let it charge up like 2 days and crank it up and move it, y'all. So y'all seen the inside of the car, the engine, and like I said before, this engine is in great condition, y'all. I'm telling you, the oil is brown, not black, dark brown. It's brown, like that teddy bear brown. So I'm see how that shit went? Look at that, all in good shape, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, like I said before, I'm gonna get my shop vac and go ahead and suck all that debris out right over there and down here. Y'all, I'm ready, y'all. This right here is over for all the small stuff, and I'm telling you, I can't do nothing else to it now but wash it and buy a battery or charge this one up overnight for like 2 days. So that being said, y'all, it's gonna be a good series starting in January. It go end like around about April, May, or June. So I ain't rushing. I'm not rushing for this project to be done. I'm not trying to put all this money into it, get somebody my money, and next thing I know, they have assets, so I want them to take their time on it. Whenever I get somebody to start working on this car, the same person will work on it, will do everything to this car, y'all. So, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, y'all. YouTube, I'm outside today cleaning out the trunk and look, the little debris, what I have to do for the inside. I'm gonna take these mats off and shake them out, vacuum the seats down. I got some air freshener I'm gonna leave in this car, so it won't be so hot with a hot smell in here. The inside do not have a bad smell at all. I just wanna go ahead and do some small cleaning and go for that, y'all. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap this up and head home. Gone. All right, YouTube. I removed the tag, so now I'm just turning it. Just sit it here. Time being, the trunk is clean, cleaning what it was. This right here is the stuff that she gave me. The jack stands. I got some mats already, which is right here. I'm gonna put these in the car while it's here parked. I text my neighbor and see he had a battery charger. So like I said, been sitting there for like 20 years. Brand new oil. Brown, not gold, not dark, not black. Brown oil. So it's not a dark brown, it's a light color brown. So that tells me that's a good sign on this car and how it's been sitting up. So trunk down. Now I'm moving my way to the inside right here. Go ahead to my car. Get my air freshener I was planning to put in here, which is this one right here. I'm putting this in the trunk. So I got one I'm gonna put on the inside of the car. This one I'm hanging from the mirror, but I'm gonna hang it up in a way, in a way. Or I might put this in the front and just loop my air freshener back here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this one here in the front, and the one that loops around, I'm putting it back here. So I'm finished with the trunk. I'm gonna put this old rug in the trash right here, and the jack stands going in the car. You know, I have another set of jack stands at home. I'm gonna use them instead of using these to jack it up. So when I take the tires off, it pops down, strip down. I got some new rims, by the way, for this car, so that's coming on the 26th. You will see that. And paid $183 for 4 rims. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to keep watching this series until I bring it home. And I'm gonna try my best to wash it tomorrow or Friday. So go from there, y'all. Gotta watch all that too. So this car here, when I get to my driveway, I should get ready to take them tires off. When I take the tires off, my plan is to replace all of them studs and nuts. So I know it can be hard as hell to get off, but I'm gonna get them off. So that being said, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. You know, let's get it, y'all.